Getting your listeners focused when you are preaching, when you are teaching, or when you are doing any form of presentation is very key. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use artificial intelligence, okay, to generate an illustrative images that will keep your listeners focused when you are teaching them. Okay, so this is an image I generated using AI, okay, and it depicts Noah, the ark that Noah built, okay. So you see the flood and then everything around it, okay. And then this another one also generated, and you guys can guess it is Goliath and David, all right. And when you're even teaching the Sunday school children, showing them such images will just keep them focused, and it's going to make the teaching and learning very interesting and engaging. Okay, this another one I generated Samson and the lion, and then this Jesus feeding the multitude, and then this Abraham when Abraham was about to kill his son Isaac, and then God. So I'm going to walk you through how to get illustrative images like this using artificial intelligence. Okay, so we are going to use three tools over here. Okay, so I'm going to use ChatGPT to write our prompt, and then we'll move on to the next AI tool. All right, so I asked ChatGPT to write me a prompt about the story of Noah's Ark in the Bible. Okay, and then this is the prompt that ChatGPT wrote for me. All right, so you can, so I just copy the prompt like this. Okay, copy the prompt like this, and then I'll go to the next website. Okay, so the next website is called Google Bing. Okay, so you can download it on your phone, or you can have the PC version of it. So you just register, and then every morning you'll be giving 15 credits over here. All right, every morning you'll be credited with 15 credits. So when you finish using it, the next morning you'll get it again. Okay, so you enter your prompt over here like this. You enter your prompt here like this, and then you press on create. All right, let's wait patiently for it to create for us. Okay, all right, so the program will generate 4 images for you, so you select the best one that fits you. Okay, so when open it like this, this is the first prompt it generated, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, so the one you want, you save it. Okay, so you can easily right click on it, and then you save as an image, and it will be downloaded onto your PC. Okay, so let's go to the next prompt over here. So the next prompt I asked ChatGPT to do is to write me a prompt to depict the story of David and Goliath in the Bible. Okay, so this is the prompt I wrote. You can copy it. Okay, and then this the prompt ChatGPT generates for me. Okay, so just copy it like this. Copy, Control C, come to the Google Bing. Let me close this. Yeah, let me delete this, and then add it again, and then create. All right, so this is the image Google Bing generates for me. All right, you can see David over here, and they see Goliath over here. So if you are teaching, and then you are doing the form of presentation, and you show this to your listeners, you are going to get them focused, and then wherever you are talking about, you are going to get them. So the next image, this is the next image as well, and then this is the next image. All right, so any question you ask is going to get it for you. All right, so if you enter a prompt, okay, and then it generates the results when you don't want, you can recreate, click over here, it's going to regenerate it for you again. You keep on regenerating until you get the actual one you want. But remember that you have to write a very good and detailed prompt to get what you want. Okay, all right. Okay, so when you put your prompt over here and the results you are seeing you don't like, you can use X, formerly known as Twitter, to also get this done. Okay, so you open your Twitter, and then you locate this AI called Book. Okay, so when you locate it, you just come here. Let me paste this prompt over here like this. Okay, and then you press on create over here, and then let's wait for it to generate our images for us. All right, so this is the prompt Twitter AI generated for us, okay? And this is the next prompt Twitter AI generated for you. But I think the Google Bing AI did a better job as compared to the Twitter prompt, okay? There are instances that you may get a better results using the Twitter prompt and the Twitter AI, and there are instances that you may also get a better results using the Microsoft Bing AI, okay? So you just have to try both to get the best results you want, okay? So by doing so, you can generate any form of thing you want, okay? It doesn't have to be with only the Bible, okay? You can generate any form of images, any form of illustration, ideas in your mind. You can generate it by using this technique I've shown you guys, okay? So guys, I believe this tutorial has been of help to you, and so the next time you are going to preach, you are going to do a presentation, don't make it boring. Try and bring an illustrative images like this. That's going to help your presentation flow and get your listeners focused on you. So guys, I believe this tutorial has been of help to you, and I'll see you in another tutorials. Thank you and stay blessed.